Hello student, I am Shamul sir, welcoming you to watch my video. Today I am going to discuss an important topics of organic chemistry, that is basic concept of organic chemistry. It is a very important part of organic chemistry. With the help of this part, we can easily determine the reaction mechanism. So, it plays a vital role in organic chemistry. With the help of this part, we can learn organic chemistry more easily. Today, I am going to discuss an important topic of basic concept of organic chemistry, that is fission of a covalent bond. Let's start. In boards, I have written fission of a covalent bond. What is called fission of a covalent bond? That is breaking of a covalent bond is called fission of a covalent bond. This breaking of covalent bond takes place in different two ways, such as heterolytic fission and homolytic fission. Okay, what is called heterolytic fission? When the bond breaks heterolytically or the shared electrons of covalent bond is distributed unequally is called heterolytic fission. Okay, heterolytic fission also takes place in two different ways, that is carbocation and carbanion. Homolytically fission, when the bond breaks homolytically or the shared electron is distributed equally to the atoms, are called homolytic fission. Example, free radical. We are now going to discuss heterolytic fission first in detail. Let's consider a covalent bond containing carbon, that is CH3X. This is a covalent bond formed by carbon and X. Here X is more electronegative than that of carbon. Here X is more electronegative than that of carbon. Therefore, X attracts electron pairs towards itself totally. So, this bond breaks totally. That is, this bond breaks totally in this way and forms CH3 plus and X minus. X attacks electron pairs totally and becomes mononegative, whereas losing electron pair totally, carbon becomes monopositive. So this part is called carbocation. Now we can define what is called carbocation. Carbocation is an organic ion having positive charge in central carbon. It has 6 electrons instead of 8. So, carbocation is called an electron deficient species and it is formed by unequal distribution of shared electron. Okay, we are now going to discuss hybridization of carbocation. What is called hybridization of carbocation? We have already mentioned that carbocations, the central carbon becomes positive and it has 6 electrons. So, the hybridization of carbocation, especially C atom, is sp2. That is hybridization sp2. Geometry planar, PL, geometry planar. This is planar structure, central carbon C plus is sp2 hybridized. Okay, the geometry of this species is planar. We are now going to discuss stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation depends on various factors such as plus I group attached to the carbocation increases the stability of carbocation. I repeat again, plus I group directly attached to carbocation increases the stability. Example, CH3 plus, CH3, CH2 plus, CH3 whole to CH plus, CH3 whole 3 C plus. In board, I have written 4 carbocations, that is methyl carbocation, primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation. That is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. This is methyl carbocation. Okay. So what are the stability order of these carbocations? In methyl carbocations, there is no plus I group. In 1 degree carbocations, that is 1 plus I group directly attached. In 2 degree carbocations, there are 2 plus I group directly attached to carbocations. In 3 degree carbocations, there are 3 plus I group directly attached. So, the most stable carbocations among these 4 are 3 degree carbocations, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, then methyl. So, the stability order is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree greater than methyl carbocation. Okay. Number 2, minus I group attached to carbocation decreases the stability. Examples are monochlorocarbocation Cl2CH plus Cl3C plus 1, 2, 3, In board, I have written 3 carbocations. That is first, second, and third. In first structure, 1 minus I group, that is chlorine, directly attached to central carbon. In structure 2, 2 minus I group directly attached. In structure 3, that is 3 minus I group directly attached. So what will be the stability order? Definitely 1 greater than 2 greater than 3. Okay? Now I am going to discuss third factor, that is resonance. Carbocations are stabilized by also resonance. Okay? Examples. This is phenyl carbocation. I have written 2 carbocations in both. First, phenyl carbocation, second, diphenyl carbocation. In both cases, resonance occurs, but in second structure, there are many resonating structures than one. So, structure 2, which have greater resonating structure than that of structure 1. So, the structure 2 is more stable than that of 1. Okay? Now, I am going to discuss, that is fourth factor, hyperconjugation. Carbocations are also stabilized by hyperconjugation. The topics hyperconjugation to be discussed later in detail. Okay, now I am going to discuss the overall stability order of carbocations. Overall stability order of carbocation. So very important overall stability of carbocations. First, triphenyl carbocation. Second, diphenyl carbocation. Third, primary phenyl carbocation. That is fourth, allyl carbocation. 3D carbocations, 2D carbocations, 1D carbocations, methyl carbocations, and vinyl carbocations. Okay, first 4, that is triphenyl, diphenyl, monophenyl, and allyl carbocations are stabilized by resonance. I repeat again, first 4 are stabilized by resonance. Then 3 degree, 2 degree, 8 degree stabilized by hyperconjugation as well as inductive effect. So the overall stability of carbocation this. Please learn it carefully and remember it carefully. Okay? Now I am discussing various example taken from carbocations. In boards, I have written 4 carbocations. Now I am going to discuss the stability order of the carbocations. So what will be the most stable carbocation among these? In case 1, that is phenyl carbocation, there is no -I or +I group directly attached. In structure 2, 1 +I group directly attached. In structure 3, 1 -I group, that is Cl, is directly attached. In structure 4, another -I group, O, is directly attached. I have already mentioned +I group increases the stability of the carbocation and -I group decreases the stability of carbocation. So the most stable carbocation is structure 2, that is in this structure 1 +I group directly attached. So the most stable carbocation will be this. Number 2, most stable. Next structure 1 will be the next, because there is no -I group directly attached. So order number 1. Then third number, that is structure 3 and structure 4. What will be the next order? That is structure 4 will be the next, because -I group OH is directly attached and structure 3 -I group Cl directly attached. Cl group has strong -I effect than that of OH minus group. So the stability of structure 4 will come third, and the stability of structure 3 will come last. So the stability order is 2 greater than 1 greater than 4 greater than 3. Okay, so very important example from carbocations. Many questions are given in different competitive example. I have given one example for your practice. Okay, now I am going to discuss another part of heterolytic fission. Okay, in board I have written a covalent bond containing carbon and Z, where Z is less electronegative than that of carbon. So carbon attacks electron pair totally towards itself and the bond breaks completely. That is, this bond breaks in this way due to greater electronegativity carbon attacks these electron pairs totally itself and the bond breaks totally in this way. That is, losing electron pair totally, Z becomes monopositive, whereas accepting electron pair totally, carbon becomes mononegative. So this species is called carbanion. Now we can define what is called carbanion. Carbanion, an organic species having central carbon minus and electron dis. It has 8 electrons and also acts as a nucleophile. Okay, I repeat again, carbanion is an organic anion in which carbon becomes negative and electron dis and acts as a nucleophile. We are now going to discuss hybridization of carbanion. Okay, hybridization of carbanion is sp3, that is central carbon minus is sp3 hybridized and the geometry is pyramidal in shape. Okay, when conjugation is added to this carbanion, hybridization will be sp2. Now I am giving the example of this. Okay, the structure in which conjugation is directly attached. These carbanions is sp2 hybridized because a conjugation is directly attached. So the hybridization will be sp2. So we have learned hybridization of carbanion. When there is no conjugation, the hybridization of carbanion is sp3, and when conjugation is attached, hybridization will be sp2. We are now going to discuss stability of carbanion. First, plus I group directly attached to carbanion decreases the stability. Example, CH3 minus, CH3, CH2 minus, CH3 whole to CH minus, CH3 whole 3 C minus. So I have written 4 carbanions in boards, that is methyl carbanions, 1 degree carbanion, 2 degree carbanion, 3 degree carbanion. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So what will be the stability order? I have already mentioned plus I group directly attached to carbanion decreases the stability. In structure 1, that is methyl carbanion, there is no plus I group directly attached. In structure 2, there is one plus I group, that is methyl group, directly attached to carbanion. In structure 3, that is 2D carbanion, 2 plus I group directly attached, and structure 4, 3 plus I group directly attached. So what will be the stability order? Okay, the stability order will be, structure 1 will be the most stable structure because there is no plus I group directly attached. So plus 1 is greater than 2, greater than 3, greater than 4. So stability order 1 greater than 2, greater than 3, greater than 4. Among 4 carbanions, the most stable carbanions are methyl carbanions. Okay. Now we are going to discuss second factor, that is minus I group directly attached to carbanion increases the stability of carbanion. Examples: in board I have written 4 different carbanions, that is methyl carbanions, structure 2, monochlorocarbanions, dichlorocarbanions, trichlorocarbanions. Okay, structure 1, that is methyl carbanions, there is no minus I group directly attached. In structure 2, 1 minus I group, that is Cl, is directly attached. Structure 3, 2 minus I group directly attached. And structure 4, 3 minus I group directly attached. So what will be the stability order? I have already mentioned minus I group directly attached to carbocation increases the stability. So the most stable structure will be the structure 4. That is the stability order, structure 4 is greater than structure 3, is greater than structure 2, is greater than structure 1. Okay, now I am giving another example. Four carbanions are written in the board. What will be the stability of these carbon atoms. Structure 1. There is no minus I group or plus I group directly attached. In structure 2, one plus I group directly attached. Structure 3, minus I group directly attached, that is NO2. And structure 4, another minus I group, Cl minus, directly attached. So what will be the most stable carbon ions among these four? Definitely structure 3 will be the most stable carbon ions because strong minus I group is directly attached. So the most stable structure will be 3. Then what? That is number 4. Another minus I group directly attached. Then structure 1. There is no minus I group. Then last of all, structure 2. That is one plus I group directly attached. Clear? Now I am going to discuss overall stability order of carbon anions. In board I have written overall stability of carbon anions. First, triphenyl carbon anions, diphenyl carbon anions, monophenyl carbon anions, allyl carbon anions, methyl carbon anions, 1 degree carbon anions, 2 degree carbon anions, 3 degree carbon anions. First 4, I repeat again. First 4 carbon ions are stabilized by resonance. Okay? Then these carbon ions are stabilized by inductive effect. I repeat again. These carbon ions are stabilized by inductive effect. So I have discussed earlier about carbocations. Now I finished about carbon ions. Okay? In next class I shall discuss about homolytic coefficient, that is formation of free. Now I am finishing my class today. Before finishing my class, I request you, if you are benefited a little by this class, please comment and subscribe my channel. I shall come back very soon with next video. Thank you very much.